8 breakfast foods that will make you look younger. Hi, watchers. Who wouldn't care to have lovely, young-looking skin? Imagine a scenario where I advised you there were breakfast alternatives that can give you simply that. In the present video, we're discussing 8 breakfast food sources that will make you look more youthful. How does chia seed pudding help? For what reason is tomato so unique for your skin? What might be said about blueberries and tofu scramble? We'll be discussing these and more. Chia seed pudding. These small dark seeds are stacked with sustenance, particularly omega-3 unsaturated fats. 1 ounce of chia seeds gives you 9 grams of sound fats, 5 of which are omega-3. In any case, what is the association between omega-3 unsaturated fats and more youthful skin? It turns out a ton. Omega-3's assistance controls your skin's oil creation, diminish indications of maturing, and hydrates your skin. They additionally stop breakouts. Getting a fair measure of omega-3 will give you delicate, hydrated, graceful skin. In addition, you'll likewise discover they give help from skin bothering and dermatitis. There has been an examination on this. It was discovered that omega-3 unsaturated fats assisted white with blooding cells safeguard minuscule fragments of DNA. These abbreviated over the long run because of maturing. One supplement, thus numerous advantages. This is the reason we enthusiastically suggest you eat chia seed pudding for breakfast. You can attempt a basic, for fixing kind. Mix chia seeds, nectar, vanilla concentrate, and milk together in a bowl or artisan container. Allow the blend to sit for 5 minutes. Mix it again to break chunks of chia seeds. Cover and spot it in the ice chest short term. Recollect the consistency must be quite thick, not liquidy. Do you like eating pudding? Which one is your top choice? Offer your inclinations with the bestie people group in the remarks underneath. Blueberries. Looking for a scrumptious treat that additionally makes your skin gleam? Blueberries are the appropriate response. They're delectable simply all alone. You can likewise prepare a blueberry sweet, or make a smoothie. Furthermore, obviously, they're overflowing with nourishment. Blueberries aren't simply to make your morning meal oats bowl look exquisite. This tasty organic product is a superb morning feast on account of its high measure of cell reinforcements and fiber. Yet, how can it help your skin? Blueberries have polyphenols that forestall early indications of maturing. Studies have uncovered polyphenols to be a successful sunscreen. Your skin is shielded from the unsafe beams of the sun, particularly UV beams. Pondering about the most ideal approach to eat blueberries? Eat them all alone. This can get exhausting before long, however. So why not a trial? Mix blueberries with yogurt and make a heavenly smoothie. Remember to add saffron and nectar for a force-pressed, nutritious punch. They make for a heavenly garnish with your oats and cereals. You can even make ice solid shapes and add them to your beverages. Approach to beat the mid-year heat. My undisputed top choice is the blueberry, strawberry, and kiwi serving of mixed greens with a sprinkle of crude natural nectar. Eggs are a conventional mainstream breakfast. You can eat them mixed, poached, or bubbling. All are sound decisions. Omelette isn't terrible either on the off chance that you don't overburden it with margarine or cheddar. However, can eggs be the response for energetic skin? It turns out yes. Eggs are sustaining for your skin because of explicit supplements. Nutrient D and protein to be exact. Considering how these supplements help your skin? We should unwind individually. You need protein and amino acids for mending and fixing home tissues. This implies your hair, skin, and nails all need protein to keep sound. This supplement likewise expands the cell turnover of your skin. It helps new skin cells supplant and assume control over old ones. Protein likewise has hostile to maturing impacts. Nutrient D shields your skin from sun harm. As you age, your body's capacity to deliver diminishes. It turns out to be considerably more imperative to get nutrient D from food sources. What's more, eggs settle on a great decision. You can transform your morning meal into a skin-supporting supper by eating nutrient C-rich veggies with eggs. Add kale, spinach, or ringer pepper to the omelet. Nutrient C lights up your skin. These green veggies likewise have nutrient C, K, and cancer prevention agents. These supplements are useful for your skin. Nutrient C and K advance bloodstream. This diminishes the presence of dim spots. There's another astounding advantage of having eggs for breakfast. They'll help you stay fit. Eggs keep you full for more, because of the great measure of protein found in them. This implies you will not feel hunger desires. In the end, you will wind up eating fewer calories. Avocado darlings, here's some uplifting news for you. They are great for your skin. This smooth green natural product is stacked with monounsaturated fats. A significant piece of a name, correct? Be that as it may, for what reason are these unsaturated fats so significant? They're incredible for your skin as they shield it from untimely maturing. Avocados improve dampness content in your skin, making it delicate and flexible. Avocados additionally have cell reinforcements that battle harm brought about by brutal conditions, sun, contamination, and maturing. These give you wrinkles. Yet, cell reinforcement-rich nourishments forestall untimely maturing by fortifying your body against hurtful free revolutionaries. Also, not simply that, avocados are stacked with nutrients A, D, and E2. These are a gift for your skin. Having avocados for breakfast can likewise expand collagen digestion. Collagen is the most well-known protein in your body. It's a significant segment of your skin. As though the entirety of this wasn't sufficient, avocados have much more to bring to the table. This is a definitive natural product you ought to eat to feel full. Eating it in the first part of the day will keep you empowered for the duration of the day. You will not feel hunger desires between dinners. Generally speaking, this smooth organic product will keep you fit. Eat avocados all alone. Or on the other hand, give impromptu speeches and sandwiches utilizing them. You can likewise make appetizing breakfast servings of mixed greens utilizing avocados, blueberries, eggs, and yams. Vegetarian breakfast tacos aren't awful by the same token. You may, truth be told, love them. Before we push forward, here's another video you may like. You need nutrient C for solid skin. Be that as it may, how might you know whether you're taking care of business? Watch this video to study the signs and manifestations of nutrient C insufficiency. Natural product smoothies fire up the blender. Organic product smoothies are stacked with cell reinforcements that forestall untimely maturing. Envision no wrinkles. Smoothies likewise hydrate your body, which appears as delicate flexible skin. You can make your smoothies considerably more impressive by joining multiple fixings. What about blueberries, avocados, yogurt, and chia seeds? They have things like vitamin C, solid omega-unsaturated fats, nutrient T, and cancer prevention agents. You'll get all the beneficial things for your skin. Nutrient T and omega-unsaturated fats decrease aggravation and advance your skin's well-being. Tofu scramble. This is the morning meal everybody will cherish, particularly veggie lovers. Trade eggs with this scrumptious tofu. Directly on sustenance and taste. Tofu has loads of protein. What's more, soy assumes a significant part in decreasing wrinkles and improving your skin versatility. Tofu additionally offers you a liberal measure of zinc, which helps your skin cells fix themselves. Include veggies like broccoli and tomatoes. Toss in certain avocados also. You will get cancer prevention agents, nutrient T, and omega-unsaturated fats. They're incredible for your skin. Do you love hash browns, fries, and pureed potatoes? I wouldn't fault you. Be that as it may, they're not actually the best food decisions. So why not trade them with something that is similarly as flavorful, yet additionally useful for your skin? The appropriate response is yam. Yam has incredible cell reinforcements got from nutrient A. They shield your skin from harm brought about by stress, natural factors, sun, and maturing. Yams are likewise stacked with nutrient C, a supplement that recovers your skin and lights up it. The examination has demonstrated that ladies beyond 40 years old, who don't take sufficient nutrient C, have a higher possibility of wrinkles. The best method to eat yams is to bubble them. Adding margarine, mayonnaise and cheddar all hurt your well-being. Tomatoes for breakfast? You don't have to eat them on their own first thing. Not tantalizing. In any case, You can add them to your omelets, eggs, and sandwiches. For what reason am I so dead set on you eating tomatoes? Since they're extraordinary for your skin. Tomatoes contain a compound that diminishes your skin's affectability to the sun's unsafe beams. It additionally decreases the aggravation of your skin. Tomatoes are additionally plentiful in the nutrient B complex. They have an enemy of maturing impact on your body. Every one of those age spots, barely recognizable differences, and sun consumes. Tomatoes can fix them all. So now your morning meal is arranged. In any case, what might be said about lunch and supper? Which food sources would it be advisable for you to not eat? We should discuss a couple more recordings, will we? Watch 13 foods to avoid if you want a younger looking skin. You can likewise attempt 13 activities to avoid. Feel free to click on one. Even better, watch both. Do you eat any of these nourishments consistently? Tell us in the remarks underneath.